In this video, we're going to discuss how to use the quick snap on Instagram. So in order to do that, I have in here this article that should be able to help us. So we have in here this thread, and as you can see, this user is also asking where to find the actual quick snap option. So to find it, some users have commented. So as you can see, in order to find a quick snap option, you should have the most updated version of your actual Instagram. Also, it's available on the latest phones available as well. So you need to make sure that your phone supports the latest option or latest update of Instagram as well. Now, if you still can't find it, you can head over and also try to uninstall and reinstall it. Also, remove the app and cache since it may also actually lead to some bugs happening. So you can head over and just remove them and reinstall it, and you should be able to find quick snaps. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.